Negatif, negatif. 79 Delta Kilo 122 7 91 Romeo Charlie 099. My friend, can we sending KSL card paper to your address, my friend?
My friend, I think there's something wrong with your microphone. It's your signal, your audio is cutting off. By the way, nama saya Jun, Julius Telepon November.
KSL John, KSL. Thank you, John, for KSL card. Thank you for KSL card. My name is Fayyas. Yesterday we communicate, John. Do you copy?
Yeah, I remember. My friend. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama. Sama-sama, John. Mungkin kita bisa jumpa lagi. Mabuhay.
Okay. I think there's some local division here who would like to contact with you. Thank you also for the AQSL. I received it yesterday, my friend.
73, bye-bye, John.
Okay, please stand by. Vicky, pakikontak po. Yan, thank you. 91 Division, go ahead. This is 79 RSN, 94, 96.
Please repeat your call sign, my friend. I can copy your call sign. My call sign 91 Romeo Charlie 099. Copy. My friend, please repeat your call sign, my friend. Thank you. Rick, good morning, Rick. Good morning. Thank you for communicate. But I can copy your call sign, Rick. Please repeat your call sign. This is 91 Romeo Charlie 099. Copy. Negative, Rich. I can copy your signal. John, I'm sorry. I can copy your signal, friend. Maybe we can contacting so afternoon, John. Thank you, John. 73. Good morning, my friend. Please, your call sign. My call sign 91 Romeo Charlie 099. Copy. Oh, thank you, Rule. 79 Victor 56091 Romeo Charlie 099. Your signal to me is 59 sometimes to 10 dB, my friend. Your signal is very strong. What antenna you use, my friend? I use Delta Loop antenna. Copy. Roger. 25 whiskey is very good lah. 795 Victor 56091 Romeo Charlie 099. I'm using Yesu Foxtrot Tango 80 Charlie. I'm running 100 watt 100 whiskey, my friend. Maybe we can contact Keso again. Thank you.
Okay, wow, that's a good setup and 100 watts. Okay, 91 Robin Charlie 099. Thank you very much for that. My 73, my friend, and have a good day.
73, have good weekend. Rule and June. Mabuhay.
Okay na ni, okay na. Ano ka na? Gawa.
Seven nine Delta Kilo 133. Correct me if I'm wrong. 91 Romeo Charlie 099. My name is Fayyas. Foxtrot Alpha Yankee Alpha Sierra. Foxtrot Alpha Yankee Alpha Sierra. Good morning, my friend, and stay healthy. Maybe we can contact you so anytime, my friend. What's your name? Please copy.
79 Romeo Charlie 099. I think there's a problem with your microphone because your voice is intermittent. Over.
Roger. Thank you, my friend. My power supply is something wrong. My power supply something wrong, my friend. Maybe I can repair it tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow, but I don't know. I hope can fix this afternoon. Thank you, my friend. 79 Delta Kilo 133 91 Romeo Charlie 099. Copy. Roger. Thank you. Nice to meet you, Danny. Nice to meet you. Thank you for this conversation. Good morning and Mabuhay 73. Okay, June. Thank you, June. I have we can contacting Keso anytime, but I have take my radio to get repaired. Mabuhay, June.